Welcome to cheapohippo.com. Today we're going to talk about a hot new product release, which is the Zalman Z9U3 mid-tower PC case. This is a new item to be introduced by Zalman. This case supports both micro ATX and ATX motherboard. This item has a front place monitor that displays temperature inside and a fan controller. There is two USB 3.0 ports on this item, two USB 2.0 ports, and two audio ports. This item also has three 5.25-inch external drive bays and one 3.5-inch external drive bay. There is five 3.5-inch internal drive bays, seven expansion slots, and three 120 mm fans, one on top, one in front, and one in the back. This item is going to go on sale for a price of $95. For more information on this item and to see if this item is available for purchase, you could click on the link in the description section below and find this item on Amazon and eBay.com. If you like this product, be sure to share this video on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+, as well as click the like button on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. If you have any other questions about this item, you could let us know in the comment section on our website at cheapohippo.com, and we'll be sure to get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching.